Social engineering tactics. Cybercriminals rely on several social engineering tactics to gain access to sensitive information. Authority. Attackers prey on the fact that people are more likely to comply when instructed by someone they perceive as an authority figure. For example, an executive opens what looks like an official subpoena attachment, but is actually an infected PDF. Intimidation. Cybercriminals will often bully a victim into taking an action that compromises security. For example, a secretary receives a call that their boss is about to give an important presentation, but the files are corrupt. The criminal on the phone claims it's the secretary's fault and pressures the secretary to send across the files immediately or risk dismissal. Consensus. Often called social proof, consensus attacks work because people tend to act in the same way as other people around them, thinking that something must be right if others are doing it. For example, cybercriminals may publish a social media post about a business opportunity and get dozens of legitimate or illegitimate accounts to comment on its validity underneath, which encourages unsuspecting victims to make a purchase. Scarcity. A well-known marketing tactic. Scarcity attacks work because attackers know that people tend to act when they think there is a limited quantity of something available. For example, someone receives an email about a luxury item being sold for very little money, but it states that there are only a handful available at this price in an effort to spur the unsuspecting victim into taking action. Urgency. Similarly, people also tend to act when they think there is a limited time to do so. For example, cybercriminals promote a fake time-limited shipping offer to try and prompt victims to take action quickly. Familiarity. People are more likely to do what another person asks if they like this person. Therefore, attackers will often try to build a rapport with their victim in order to establish a relationship. In other cases, they may clone the social media profile of a friend of yours in order to get you to think you are speaking to them. Trust. Building trust in a relationship with a victim may require more time to establish. For example, a cybercriminal disguised as a security expert calls the unsuspecting victim to offer advice. When helping the victim, the security expert discovers a serious error that needs immediate attention. The solution provides the cybercriminal with the opportunity to violate the victim's security.